Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the incredible world of artificial intelligence. Get ready to witness the fascinating birth of AI from the realms of science fiction to the mind-blowing reality we live in today. So sit back, relax, let's embark on this exhilarating adventure. Imagine a world where machines can think, learn, and even outsmart us humans. It all started with the dreams and imaginations of visionary scientists, writers, and filmmakers. From the early days of science fiction, the concept of AI captured our imaginations, sparking a burning curiosity that led to groundbreaking discoveries. The journey to bring AI to life began with the development of early computers. These massive machines laid the foundation for modern technology. Scientists and pioneers worked tirelessly experimenting with algorithms and programming languages, paving the way for what was to come. Fast forward to today, and AI is no longer just a figment of our imagination. It's a rapidly evolving reality that's transforming our world in unimaginable ways. From voice assistants that make our daily lives easier to self-driving cars that navigate our roads, AI has become an integral part of our society. But how did we get here? Well, the breakthroughs in machine learning and data analysis played a vital role. Scientists and researchers developed algorithms that enable machines to learn from vast amounts of data, unlocking their potential to make intelligent decisions and predictions. The impact of AI is evident in various industries. It's revolutionizing healthcare, helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and speeding up drug development. It's transforming transportation, making our journeys safer and more efficient. And in agriculture, AI is optimizing crop yields to tackle the challenges of feeding a growing population. But it doesn't end there. Robots and AI powered machines are stepping out of the factories and into our everyday lives. They can assist us in tasks, both simple and complex, enhancing our abilities and making us more productive. The beauty of AI lies in its potential to solve some of humanity's most pressing challenges. From combating climate change to exploring under space, AI empowers us to push the boundaries of what we can achieve. It opens new frontiers, allowing us to explore the depths of our oceans and reach for the stars. But amidst this awe-inspiring progress, let's not forget importance of collaboration. The birth of AI is a result of collective efforts from scientists, engineers, and innovators worldwide. It's a testament to human ingenuity, curiosity, and our undying spirit of exploration. So, as we conclude this incredible journey through the birth of AI, let's celebrate the wonders it brings and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. With our imaginations, determination, and responsible stewardship, we can shape AI's future for the benefit of all. Thank you for joining us today on this thrilling exploration of the birth of AI. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our exciting future episodes. Until then, keep dreaming, keep innovating, and together, let's create a brighter future powered by AI.